Stumbled on a DB4 file from a legacy database system and need to extract the data? This format powered countless business applications in the late 1980s and 1990s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening dBASE IV databases. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the DB4 format. Details below. Users encounter .db4 files when dealing with legacy database applications or data exported from older systems. Their primary intent is to access, view, or convert the structured data within, often for migration to modern database formats like SQL or CSV. It represents a core component of a dBASE application's data storage. The .db4 format is a binary file with a structured header defining the fields, name, type, length, decimal places, followed by fixed length records. This design was optimized for rapid record access on older, slower disk systems by allowing the software to calculate the exact byte offset for any given record number. For reliable opening, dBASE by dBASE, LLC offers the best solution for DB4. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows cannot display meaningful content from these files, so dedicated database tools are required to read them. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the DB4 file and choose Open With. Start with dBASE if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you cannot access the DB4 file, no problem. The stubbornness of this DB4 file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, opening with dBASE. Install dBASE Plus or dBASE Classic from dBASE LLC, the current developer of the dBASE product line. Open the DB4 file using File, then Open Table. The database structure and records become accessible for browsing, editing, querying, and report generation through familiar dBASE commands. Next, importing into modern tools. Microsoft Access LibreOffice Base and Excel can import dBASE4 files directly. In Excel, use Data, then Get Data, then from File, then from dBASE selecting the DB4 file. The data imports as a table preserving field types for analysis or migration to other database platforms. Finally, converting to CSV. Use a dBASE Viewer or dBF Viewer Plus to open the DB4 file and export records to CSV format for universal compatibility. Most modern systems read CSV directly, making it the safest path for long-term data preservation when leaving the dBASE ecosystem entirely behind. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.